Hey, hello, what's up, guys? This is Vishnu again. And recently, Epic Games, uh, today morning itself, I've read an article saying that Epic Games have released the GTA 5 for free on the official website. So I just wanted to make a video on that. And this, you can see Epic Games, uh, yeah, GTA 5 for free, by the way. And let's get started. And this is only for a limited period offer. And yeah, here it is. GTA 5 Grand Theft Auto, and you can see over here sale ends of 21st 5 2020, means only up to 21st of this month, 8 up to 8:30 p.m. and as you can see it is for free. Actually I owned it recently, and before that you'll get two options: get over here at the middle, get, and at this right corner you will get wish list, add wish list option, and this is how the interface is. And what you're gonna do is just go and click it get, and you'll be direct. If you are logged in again previously, then it's well and good. If not, if you the website asks you to log into the Epic Games account, or you can also log in through Google, Facebook, and whatever you want. There are so many options over there: Xbox or so and so, PS, PlayStation website, like account or so and so, whatever you want, or official Epic Games, or you can create an account over there. And then it asks you for enable two-step verification, and after that you're completed, you will get an invoice. Let me show you that one also. I received an email. One second, guys. YouTube, sorry for that. Gmail. And as you can see, Epic Games have received Epic Games show pictures. Okay, Epic Games, so thank you. Hi Vishnu, thanks for the purchase. International invoice ID, order ID, and order date, bill to my so and so account, my email ID, and source Epic Games Store. Publisher Rockstar Games, price 0, GTA 5 USD, and so and so, and basic stuff over here at the bottom. And order date, it's 17 May 2020, added today itself. And yeah, and we are back to the home screen, the GTA 5 page. And if you look at ratings, critics recommended 98%, 96, and Mighty open circuit rating, and very good rating, 92 by 100, 10 out of 10, and 5-star rating from users, and especially this for Windows. And there are like two columns: minimum, recommended, minimum and recommended. And you need OS Windows 10. I'll go with base one, Windows 10 or Windows 8.1, Windows 8. You need a 64-bit for anything. Yeah, there are only 64-bit. 32-bit wouldn't work, I think so. Vista 64-bit Service Pack 2 or Windows 7 64-bit Service Pack 1 is minimum recommended. NVIDIA card only recommended if it running Vista OS. Okay. And processor, you need a minimum Intel Core 2 Quad processor. It's not Core 2 Duo, it's a Core 2 Quad. Quad means 4, Duo means 2. And CPU Q6600. It's 6th generation, 2.4 gigs, and 4 CPUs, and AMD Phenom 9850 quad core processor, 4 CPU at 2.5 gigahertz. And if you look at memory, you need a minimum. And if you look at memory, we need a minimum of 4 gigabytes of RAM and a video card NVIDIA 9800 GT 1 GB minimum. You need a 1 GB NVIDIA graphic card or AMD Ryzen HD 48701 GB minimum recommended, and sound card 100% DirectX 10 compatible, and HDD, which is full form hard disk drive HDD 90 GB available space minimum in your HDD, or SSD. I don't know why they specified HDD, but SSD, which is solid state drive. SSDs are more faster than HDD. Well, HDD consists of so many mechanical parts, but SSD consists of SSD consists of only PCB and capacitor bits and a transistor for its optimal performance of a SSD. And this is recommended minimum, I mean not minimum, it's recommended for a bit smooth performance. Windows 10, Windows 7 64-bit Service Pack 1, and Intel Core i5 processor 3rd generation, 3.2 GHz clock speed, or AMD X8 FX 8 generation, 4 GHz of clock speed, 8 CPUs. Okay, memory 8 gigs, and video card 2 gigs minimum. You need a 2 gigabytes of RAM, video card, NVIDIA GTX 660 or above, and AMD HD 7870 2 GB or above, and a sound card 100% DirectX 10 compatible, and HDD hard disk drive 19 GB available space. And these are the minimum specifications what you want. And there's some mature content in this game, which is intense violence, blood and gore and nudity, mature humor, strong language, strong content, use of drugs and alcohol. Okay, and keep in mind that it's just a game, so you won't take anything serious of this GTA 5. And it, as I mentioned, rating 17, mature 17 plus. And while you're getting onto this page, when you click on GTA 5 on the home page, it just asks you, are you mature or not? In this in this home page, and in this page, you wanna look have a look on some mature content. So are you matured or not? It just a pop-up comes out, and that's your wish. You're gonna click on yes or no, that's your wish. And yeah, and that's all, guys. This is all about this. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe button for more and more updates from Vishnu Nadala. And make sure that when you subscribe to my channel, activate the bell icon and keep it in all, so that you're gonna receive each and every notification as soon as I update a new video. So thanks for watching.